So we have arrived. See where the day takes us for Australia Day, Northern Queensland. Okay, well, this is something new. Where to find Curtis? Where to find Curtis? Fuck out the front. The first pool. Sorry. So yeah, we've arrived now here. Curtis, where are you? There they are. I was so confused just then. And I found them.
You got one of those as well?
Welcome to the tropics. Oh, that just made me heaps dizzy. Indo.
I did that one in one session.
Yeah, boy. Woo! Yeah.
I wouldn't get in it then. There's like this one.
We got the heated pool which we can go check out later.
Oh yeah, sick. Northern Queensland in the tropics. It's Australia Day, but we're living it. We're living it. We're doing it. The weather could be a bit better, but we out here.
We need to take groceries. Hopefully you collect.
Oh yeah, shit. Ow, ow, it's stuck.
Wait, Jasper! Excuse me!
You're gonna do okay, you.
Did you get it out?
Should I get what out?
Your glass.
No, it's stuck.
What's the funniest in that process?
Oh yeah, it's real stuck. Can you untangle it?
Yeah. Hit his elbow.
Please don't do that to me.
I just end up like elbowing you in the face. I wonder what this looks like.
Last desk on the left and they'll give you tickets.
Oh, true. Okay.
Just like a plane.
Oh, good. Got the tickets finally.
Where is?
Hey, sir. Yeah. might come back here.
We got the same thing.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that we did.
Bright soul, channel right. Wouldn't taste us, yeah, yeah, yes. But to get high. Forget one night, or was it so insane? Complicated. Oh, I forget one night, oh, I forget my name. Was it so insane? Complicated. Oh, I forget my name. I drink the venom to release the pain. Chain smoking, I suffocate. We be wearing the beast untamed. Sticky, 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 sticky. Don't forget that
I 13 videos left, that's how much I've filmed.
What have you got left?
Oh, whoa!
Rockfish.
No, my sunny's coming on. Yours come on. We'll lose it.
Wouldn't taste of, yeah, yeah, yeah. But to get high, and I forget my name. Oh, was it slow to say? Complicated. Oh, I forget my name. Oh, I forget my name. 'Cause it's so insane. Complicated. Oh, I forget my name. See you, I drink the venom to release the pain. Chain smoking, I suffocated. We be weapons, the beast untamed. Sticky, 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 sticky. Don't forget tonight.
Okay. Did you see that? This part's hard. I've only got one shot, otherwise I won't make it. It's so steep, bro. It's not possible. Yeah, it's too beautiful here, man.
What we have to do is just try and relate with the natural. No worries, mate. Have a good one. Yeah.
Enjoy it. It's awesome.
Oh, I knew I made a mistake when you didn't stop instantly and you circled back around.
Yeah. Random as. Talking to the captain. Yeah. Which way do we go?
It was very nice until I got really sunburned.
Alright, that's a wrap from us. See you next time.